So guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on when my video gets to you. Thank you so much. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also remember to click on the notification bell in order to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much. God bless you for. So guys, today we shall be discussing 4 romantic relationships that existed or is existing between 4 ex-Big Brother Naija season 5 lockdown couples. Big Brother Naija Season 5 edition may be so lucky to have 4 different marriages from ex-Big Brother Naija Season 5 lockdown housemates, as this may probably be Dorothy versus Prince, Nengi versus Ozo, Erica versus Kidwaya, and V versus Neil. I am starting with Dorothy Bashaw, the ex-Big Brother Naija Season 5 lockdown housemate who got to finals and emerged the first runner-up from the show. She is recently having the most romantic relationship with her loved one Prince so far of all the ex-Big Brother Naija housemates of Season 5. Should this be the reasons why some haters and enemies of progress are accusing Dorothy for snatching Prince from Tolani Baj? Recall that some few days ago, a Nigerian lady who is a fan of Big Brother Naija star Tolani Baj has dragged former housemate Dorothy for allegedly snatching Prince from Tolani Baj. The lady accused the 25-year-old Delta State-born socialite of using another means on Prince, and that is how she was able to snatch him from Tolani Baj. The lady, who uses the Twitter account at Bidemi Ojo, called Dorothy a boyfriend snatcher and told her she will regret it one day after Prince's eyes cleared up. Please, young lady, stop accusing Dorothy for what she knows nothing about. Dorothy has not used anything on Prince. Dorothy has not used any means to get Prince. And you, if you were to be a man between Dorothy and Tolani Baj, whom are you going to choose? Prince know what is good for him, and both of them know what they are doing. They know what they are getting from each other, and it is their choice to stay together and to be together. So Prince has made his choice to choose Dorothy as his own girlfriend or his own lover. So allow them to enjoy their life. They are having their sound sleep. Nothing is disrupting their sleep. Advise your Tolani Baj to go out there. There are so many men out there. Dorothy is happy with Prince. Can't you see the way they are and the way they are playing and the way they are running their relationship? Is it not? It's so romantic, so interesting. Yeah. So
last night I couldn't sleep because I was on Twitter and I was laughing from the Predo fans to the. I saw the one of myself and Prince walking into the palace, or me walking into the palace, right. And I'm like, how? And I mean, it's so much fun because you can relate because you were there last year.
Nengi and Ozo have been so cool in their relationship. You hardly predict them and you hardly notice their limitations. Also, whether they have problems or not is not known or made public. In fact, Ozo and Nengi's relationship has moral lesson contained in it. It has so many things to copy from. I don't know if any man or woman can come out boldly to say, these people are not good to go. I don't like them. They are like this. In fact, they know how to play it.
I can't believe this. How are you, my son?
I'm doing good, ma. Thank you very much.
I love you so much. Please don't give me hypertension. I've been trying to reach you. I've asked the whole world for your number. I love you and Nengi so much. Please.
Thank you very much.
I stayed up till very late watching you until the last minute. And when you left, my blood pressure crashed.
Erica and Kidwaya, sometimes they are green, sometimes they are white, sometimes they are yellow, but their marriage is sure. The couple are wonderfully made and beautifully created. In fact, Erica, the star girl, she is one of the most beautiful celebrities so far, not only in Big Brother Naija Season 5 lockdown housemates, but of other seasons also, both makeup or no makeup, this babe said. Though a few days ago, it was noticed the two stopped following each other on Instagram, but for now, my brother, the love is solidified and the two are good to go. For V and Neil, anyway, these two, it seems the love is more from Neil, and sometimes family issues can or tend to destroy a good relationship, as Neil family is having serious disagreement with Neil marrying V. Remember, The new family may be using Venita to play the game, so do not say it's Venita that is against the relationship. Few days ago, it was also noticed Neo and Venita no longer follow each other on Instagram. But love, however, can do the undoable. So Venita may be disturbing herself, and moreover, is Neo not an adult? As an adult, you have decision to take on your own, and nobody decides for you, or nobody comes to decide on what to do. Because adults, you are old enough to know what is good for your life and what is not good for your life. So guys, for Neo to take that bold step and say, sister, no, I don't like it, and unfollow her on Instagram, it shows that the love is much, the love is thick. So let them. For me, Neo did the right thing. Stay clear, allow my relationship to be. Let me manage my relationship the way I want it, period. So guys, let me take you through the pictures. Who is your favorite? Indicate on the comment section.